Do you have a soft spot for deliciously fluffy omelettes, delightfully cheesy pizza, or fabulous desserts like this? If you love delicious food but are short on time, you need the 5-Minute CleverChef from Drew & Co. The time-saving meal and snack maker that cooks homemade food in a flash. Simply fill, close, and let the 5-Minute CleverChef do the rest. The secret behind its ultra-fast cooking power is its special oval-shaped double-sided non-stick cooking plates that heat your food on both sides at the same time, reducing cooking time and ensuring your quick meals are cooked evenly and perfectly. Just add your favourite ingredients and it effortlessly cooks all kinds of fresh, delicious omelettes in under 5 minutes. No flipping, no pans necessary. And it's not just a marvel for egg dishes either. Double down on delicious dishes like Nutella-filled pancakes. Treat yourself to speedy cheese toasties, evenly cooked crispy skin salmon, or an irresistible melty mini pizza in minutes. It's compact, easy to store, and a breeze to clean. The versatile 5-Minute CleverChef makes everyday meals, snacks and desserts fast and easy. Call Global Shop Direct or go online now to get the 5-Minute CleverChef from this low price and check out our 5 easy monthly payments. Plus, order now and you'll also get the bonus digital recipe book. But wait, you can upgrade your order to the new 5-Minute CleverChef Deluxe with 3 interchangeable cooking plates. There's the multi-purpose oval plates, the extra-large grill plates for burgers or crispy cafe-style snacks, and the double waffle plates for golden fluffy waffles fast. More plates mean more delicious meals in minutes. And the 5-Minute CleverChef comes with Global Shop Direct's 30-day money-back guarantee. Get the 5-Minute CleverChef or upgrade to the new Deluxe model with the interchangeable plates. Plus get the bonus digital recipe book when you order from Global Shop Direct today.